YouTube. So we on day 3, last day of Rolling Loud. Um, Going a little later than I have in the days past because the only people I care to see is Gunna and Playboy Cardi, and they'll just happen to be the last 2 acts. It's about 7 o'clock now. They don't go on till like 9 and 11, so just gonna see these two, maybe have a drink or two, put a couple sticks in the air. Still haven't ran into Travelversity yet, even though we both in VIP, but I don't know. Maybe I'll run into him this time. I'll reach out to him and see where he at if I can find him. Let's get into it.
gotta pick on what I'm putting down though. Let's tee it up a notch. Let's go. Soon as I get back, she get shot. It's all the time. This ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie getting up. Open that shit up for the next song. Open it up.
Man,
open it up.
If the next song, I think what it is, yeah, it's probably
open this motherfucker up.
Probably gonna need that mic.
Hey, when this shit drop, I need to feel this fucking crowd all the way from the back, all the way to the front,
probably gonna hear it.
All the way from the side to the middle, from the left side to the middle. Let's go.
Move it back. Oh! Let's go. Hey, hey. Playboy Cardi for some reason canceled at the last minute. So they had some dude come on named Yeet. I don't know who he is. Didn't really care to. So after Gunna performed, which was a pretty good performance, I left. Um, Overall, though, outside of Playboy Cardi canceling at the last second, bro, it was a pretty dope turnout, pretty dope experience. My first time ever going to Rolling Loud. Um, I tell you, bro, it's different. It's different. Seeing so many different people from different countries coming together for that event, including Thai people. I'm talking like it was people there from the Philippines, Indonesia, um, China, Japan, Korea. Crazy. Then, of course, you had people there from different parts of Europe, other people from America there. So, it was pretty much a melting pot, bro. Like, um, outside of the scare with Shorty that came with me Saturday night, um, there was like a fight or two that broke out. We saw some people get kicked out or whatnot, but um, outside of that, it was pretty dope, man. No, no. Outside of that, like no real like crazy drama. Um, don't seem like anybody got hurt or anything like that, cause like they was turned up in there, y'all. They was turned. Yeah, came across some characters, but all in all, man, had a really good time this weekend. Um, Now I don't know whether or not I would do it again because being on your feet like that for that long, because it got to the point where it was like, man, we sitting on the ground in between sets, like just to get off our feet. I'm like, it's a lot of walking. Maybe next time when Rolling Loud is in town, I might just go to the after parties at 808 and just get a section or a table and then just enjoy it like that because every night they've had at least one person from the Rolling Loud concert performing in 808. So only thing is, it seems like damn near every woman that I've been involved with been going to these 808 after parties this weekend, so it's probably a good thing I didn't go. Oh man. But yeah, outside of that, yeah, man, it was pretty dope. More than likely not gonna be vlogging today because I pretty much got to spend all day getting content up, including vlog content, because I'm behind on that, and I want to stay on schedule with that. Because my vlog schedule is Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I put videos out like that Monday, Wednesday, Friday, every other day, and you also have the weekend to catch up on anything that I've posted throughout the week. So that's the reason why I don't post on Saturdays or Sundays. So yeah, you'll never see me post as often on this channel as I do the reaction channel. Um, it's really just impossible, bro. Otherwise, I would never be able to go out and really enjoy my time in these other countries. But so I already got my flight booked to come back out here after Christmas. Um, so I'll be right back out here, and you know, it's gonna go like that. I already know it is, man. Pretty much right after I get back home, it's gonna be Thanksgiving, and then fast forward, next thing you know, it'll be Christmas. So we're gonna do what it do, keep it pushing, man, and figure out my itinerary when I come back out here, and then what I'm gonna do after I leave, because I'm probably gonna leave a few weeks before my birthday, before I come back to Thailand for my birthday, and then figure out where I'm gonna go in those 2 weeks. Right now, is right now it's looking like possibly Malaysia and Singapore. because I want to do Singapore for my birthday, and that would be the weekend before my birthday, before I come back here for my birthday in Thailand. So anyway, I'm over here rambling, talking too much. Let me go ahead and shut this down and this here. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, you guys, deuces.